Surfaces don't fail at the finish. They fail beneath it. For over 70 years, Laticrete has supported builders worldwide with proven innovative systems built to perform. We go beyond products. We build partnerships through training, dine and learn sessions, mock-ups, and on-site technical support. We deliver complete surface systems engineered so every layer works together, from installation to finishing to long-term protection. Certified by SGBC and UL Green Guard and developed with low VOC solutions, built for performance that protects both people and the environment. 70 years strong and still building what the world stands on. Because what we build today shapes the world we live in tomorrow. Build with confidence. Build